Welcome to the P&R Diner. On the menu today, we have breakfast biscuits on the Blackstone. Okay, right now we're just wanting to brown up the bottom a little bit. Then we're going to transfer them over here and put the cover on it and let them cook for about 15 minutes.
Wow.
And now we're going to throw down some Canadian bacon. So that was the first time doing biscuits. Ain't too bad. I think one got a little done, but the rest of them look pretty good. We're gonna finish these 2 eggs up and we're gonna make us a little sandwich. Stick around. Hey, so there you go. Now we're at the point of the cook where we get a taste what we created. This is awesome. Biscuits turned out nice. A couple of them got a little too warm. Need a little practice. We're going to taste test and see how they turned out. Here we go. Look at that sandwich. Here we go. I'm going to turn so you don't see my mouth. That is so good. Crunchy bottom, fluffy middle. Biscuits on the Blackstone. No more practice. It's gonna be great. If you're hungry for more, check out these other items on the menu. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. P&R Diner. Frog. There's a frog over. Get him. I'm going back to eating.